Hi all, hope you all are fine. So today I will tell you about Vlookup, Hlookup and Xlookup and how we use this formula. So before telling you how we use Vlookup, I just want to tell you about the Vlookup syntax. Vlookup stand for vertical. If we have to look up the value based on the vertical, then we apply Vlookup. If I have to find out the pin code by looking this horizontal value, then we have to apply Hlookup. And the syntax for this is this: Vlookup search key means the lookup value which we are looking for. Range, where I'm looking this value, we have to select all that range. Index, what value we want in return. Is sorted or not, whatever our data is sorted or not, our lookup value which we are searching. So now I will just show you. For this apply VLOOKUP, we have to give VLOOKUP and search key. I'm looking for this value. Where I'm looking for here. So press F4 to fix my row and column. I press F4. Now which column I want in return? I want pin code which is present in D column, which is 4. Do I looking for accurate or approximate match? I give 0 here, and 0 is represent exact match because I'm looking for exact match, so I give 0. But if you want to approximate match, then you have to give 1 instead of 0. But before applying approximate match, we have to sort our data based on ascending order. So I will just, if instead of exact match I'm looking for approximate match, then I have to sort my data in ascending order. So I will sort range A to Z. Now you see that my data is arranged in ascending order. Now I will apply VLOOKUP again, but this time I am looking for approximate match. So I give VLOOKUP looking value here, and where I am looking this value, here I am looking this value. Press F4 to fix which column I want in return. I want 4 column, that is D pin code. And do I'm looking for approximate match or exact match. So here I'm looking for approximate match, so I give 1, press enter. Now my values get populated here. I will do autofilling by pressing double click on this. Similarly for ranking, I will do here VLOOKUP looking for this value. Where I'm looking for this value here. Press F4, fifth column, because my ranking is present in E column, which is fifth. Looking for approximate match, so I give 1 here. Now it get populated. As you see that Karnataka ranking is 3. You can see here also Karnataka ranking is 3. So you can populate the value simply by applying VLOOKUP from another sheet to our main sheet. Similarly for HLOOKUP, we have to give HLOOKUP. If my data is present in based on horizontally it is a present, then we apply HLOOKUP. And for this also we have to select this where I'm looking for this value. I'm looking this value here. I had selected and press F4 to fix which index I want. I want 3, rank 3. So I just press 3. Looking for approximate match, or here I can give exact match I'm looking because my data is not sorted. So I give for exact match. Now I will do autofilling. You can see that my values get populated easily. Now, but there is a limitation on VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP is that when we apply VLOOKUP, our lookup value should be in the first column. Similarly, for HLOOKUP, our lookup value should be in the first column, first row. This is the first limitation, and the second limitation is that at a time it will just give you one single value in a return. You see that again I have to want ranking from another sheet. Again I have to write VLOOKUP for this separator. To solve this, there is some more limitation, but this is two most common limitations. To solve this limitation, we have Xlookup. To apply Xlookup, I will just show you the syntax. Lookup value, lookup array, return arrow if not found, match mode, search mode, all that thing. So Xlookup, I am looking, and second is thing here we have flexibility. Our lookup value can be in first, second, third, any column. There is no problem on this. So here you see that my lookup value is in the second column. So I just selected this. Where I'm looking for this value here. So I just selected this and press F4 to fix row and column. What I want in return, I want pin code and ranking. So I selected these two rows and press F4. Okay. Now you can see that my value is, if I'm looking for accurate match, exact match, then I give 1 0 there, and now my values get populated. So if we have to populate more than well two or more than value from another sheet, by applying simple Xlookup we can easily populate that thing.